How to improve mental ability, speed up brain metabolism, slow down aging without the use of special medicinal drugs or exercise machines. How to do this with your own efforts and your own physiology. Fortunately, there is a way. The ancient yoga practice will help you. It's called Kapalabhati breath. Hey there, it's Alex, I'm a psychophysiologist, and this is my channel Healthy Spirit, your trusted guide to mental and physical health. Thank you so much for joining me. And today we are going to talk about Kapalabhati breathing technique. And since I'm doctor, I will tell you about Kapalabhati from a scientific point of view. Let's go. So, Kapalabhati. This word can be translated from Sanskrit as a skull shining breath. Why the skull shining? Because your brain is cleared of mental garbage and negativity. After this exercise, the work of the brain is really activated and memory begins to work better. Kapalabhati can help you calm your mind, relieve worries and anxiety. Your mental well-being, your mood and your physical health will improve. It becomes easier to breathe. If you practice Kapalabhati regularly, your body will really rejuvenate. Experienced yogis think so. Sometimes people refer to Kapalabhati as breath of fire. This is an aerobic exercise that powerfully stimulates the metabolism. It enhances the supply of oxygen of the cells of the brain and body. It's kind of like an oxygen cocktail. Now, let's get down to practice because I don't want to take up much of your time. I want to help you as soon as possible. To do Kapalabhati, you should just sit on the chair and start breathing. But it is very important to do everything right. Try not to allow hyperventilation and increase of respiratory minute volume. Otherwise, there will be a temporary alkalization of the blood, and then the blood vessels in your brain will narrow a little. So, if you feel a little dizzy from too much oxygen, that's not right. In response, your blood vessels will narrow, and then you will get the opposite effect – oxygen starvation. But there is nothing to worry about, because now I will explain and show you everything. By the way, research by American and Indian scientists has shown that thanks to Kapalabhati, the work of the autonomic nervous system and neurotransmitters is normalized. And this is good. This helps relieve emotion tension and reduce stress levels. Your brain and your whole body starts to work better. So, the practice of Kapalabhati, breath of fire, or a skull shining breath, as you like. Kapalabhati is forced breathing. To breathe, you will have to use your willpower and abdominal muscles. You should do this as you exhale, and this is the active phase of Kapalabhati. But first, before the active phase, there is a passive phase, and it's even easier. The abdominal muscles should be relaxed. Then the air will enter the lungs by itself. You should breathe through your nose. Breathe like this during inhalation and exhalation. And one more thing. An important feature of Kapalabhati is the rate of breathing movements. It must be very high. We usually do about 14 or 15 breathing movements. But in Kapalabhati, we have do about 80 or 100 breathing movements. In this way, we can increase the oxygen saturation. You probably know what saturation is. During the coronavirus pandemic, they often talked about this in the media. Therefore, many people bought pulse oximeters and began to measure the level of oxygen saturation in the blood. And another important point, breathing during Kapalabhati should not be deep. Otherwise, there will be a loss of carbon dioxide and alkalization of the blood, and in response, the brain vessels will narrow. But breathing should be rapid. You may know how a cyclist inflates a bike tire with a small pump when he is in a hurry. He does it very fast. Start like this. Sit on a chair or on the floor if it's easier for you. Ensure your spine is straight. Relax, calm down, balance your emotions. Okay. Try to do it slowly at first. Take a free breath. Feel the air entering your abdomen and immediately exhale forcefully with the help of your abdominal muscles. Here you will be able to hear a hissing sound. Now again take a calm inhalation and immediately a quick forced exhalation. And so on. Do it without pause. Your attention should be focused on the breathing. No thoughts in your head. Just fast breathing. First, take a series of 20 or 30 breathing cycles. After that, rest a little. Now, do it faster and longer. Take 30 to 40 quick breathing cycles. Rest again, and now take 40 to 50 breathing cycles. This should take about half a minute. If you feel dizzy, then slow down your breathing rate. You can stop for a while and rest. If the dizziness goes away, you can continue to do the exercise. Please select the optimal breathing rate for you to feel comfortable. But if you have high blood pressure, do not exceed 20 slow repetitions. Also, never use Kapalabhati when you have a cold. If you have any chronic diseases, please consult the appropriate specialist. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.